Colt Gray has admitted to carrying out the 2024 deadly mass shooting at Apalachee High School. Today, the teen pleaded guilty to all 55 counts against him nearly 2 years after taking the lives of 2 students and 2 teachers. So the court heard from families and survivors forced to live with what he did before prosecutors revealed, in Gray's own words, how he carefully planned it.
Pleading guilty to each of the charges are in fact.
With those words, Colt Gray admitted to the 55 crimes that shattered Apalachee High School. But for the families forced to relive September 4th, 2024, the teen's guilty plea does not end their sentence.
The students of Apalachee High School had to grow up and mature in a single inhumane instant.
688 days so far of a sentence with no parole. And that is what he should receive as well.
Mason Schermerhorn's mother remembered a 14-year-old who saw people others overlooked and befriended even those who once bullied him.
If Colt had actually attended school as he should have, then Mason would have befriended him.
A friendship never given the chance to begin because Mason's sister says Gray ignored every chance to make a different choice.
You had time before you left school that morning to change your mind. You had time in your first period of class to change your mind. You had time while you were in that bathroom to change your mind, but you didn't.
Prosecutors then walked the court through his notebook, a step-by-step plan to put on a vest and gloves, load his rifle, check its sight, and carry 110 rounds.
Pick up rifle with right hand, open stall door with left. Don't shoot anyone in the bathroom. You will alert people.
Ultimately, did he follow that plan?
Yes, ma'am.
Gray even estimated how many people he expected to kill or injure, writing 15 to 17 could be killed inside one classroom. Yet in his interview with investigators, he described a blackout, psychosis, and voices while admitting the thought had been growing for far longer than that morning.
Is that something that you've been thinking about doing for a while?
Yes, it's been years.
The families called him a coward. Survivors said they would have been his friends, but the 4 people he killed would never get another chance at life.
You will always be remembered as a coward, a psychopath, a freak, because of what you decided to do. But the victims, Christina Irmi, Richard Astewall, Christian Angula, and Mason Schermerhorn, will be remembered because of the people they were.
In the end, Gray was left to describe what he had become.
I don't even know what I am. Monster.
So the families and survivors who spoke today asked the judge to sentence Gray to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Gray faces a minimum sentence of life with the possibility of parole and a maximum of life without parole. The court picks back up on Monday morning. So Colt Gray's father, Colin Gray, is expected to be sentenced next week. A jury convicted him on 27 counts in March, finding him criminally negligent for allowing his son access to the firearm used in the shooting. His sentencing is set to start on Thursday.